Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talks Beyond the Screen, the podcast where we discuss the issue that shape our digital lives. I'm Gian Vincent Bertuccio, your host.
And I'm Christian Antalusig. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang isang topic na halos lahat tayo makaka-relate. Ethics in the age of social media.
Social media has changed the way we communicate, share information, express ourselves. But along with its many benefits come important questions. Are we being honest online? Are we treating others with respect? Are we thinking about the impact of what we post and share?
In this episode, we'll talk about how our ethics and morality influence the way we act online. From cyberbullying, fake news, online responsibility, hanggang sa mga simpleng bagay like commenting or sharing posts na nakakaapekto sa ating lahat.
Whether you're a student, a content creator, or someone who simply scroll through social media every day, this conversation is for you.
This is Talks Beyond the Screen, where every scroll sparks a meaningful conversation. Tara, let's dive into ethics in the age of social media.
Let's have quick icebreaker. Mr. Simon, how many hours do you spend on social media each day?
Roughly about 6 to 10 hours a day.
Oh, really? Ganun pala ang time mo sa social media. Ikaw naman, Mr. Tupas. Ilang hours ka naman usually nagso-social media sa isang araw?
I spend about 2 to 4 hours on social media each day. As a 19-year-old student, I mainly use social media for entertainment, watching videos, and keeping up with friends. I also enjoy playing games during my free time.
Ang interesting kasi iba-iba talaga tayo ng habits pagdating sa social media. Pero mapapansin natin na halos araw-araw naman talaga natin itong ginagamit. Kaya magandang pag-usapan din kung paano ba natin ito gamitin ng tama. So without further ado, let's move on to our main discussion. I really like what you said. Kasi minsan, akala natin ang ethics hanggang classroom lang. Pero in reality, dala-dala pa natin ito siya kahit online. Now, let's hear another perspective. Mr. Tupas, these next questions are for you. Nowadays, sobrang dali ng mag-post, mag-comment at mag-share online. Pero hindi lahat ng ginagawa sa social media ay tama. So here's your first question. What are some examples of unethical behavior on social media?
How social media can be used in an ethical and responsible way. For me, think before posting. Share content that is respectful, truthful, and appropriate. Verify information. Check reliable sources before posting news or information. 3. Respect others' privacy. Ask for information before posting photos or personal details about someone. 4. Report harmful content. Report bullying, scams, or inappropriate posts to the platform. And lastly, protect your personal information. Avoid sharing sensitive details like your address, password, or financial information.
I think that's something many of us have witnessed online. Minsan kasi isang comment lang or isang shared post, pero malaki na pala ang impact nito sa ibang tao. Now let's continue. For your second question, how can social media be used in an ethical and responsible way?
Examples of unethical behavior on social media. 1. Cyberbullying. Harassing, threatening, or insulting others online. 2. Plagiarism. Copying someone else's work, photos, or ideas and claiming it as their own. 3. Online scams and fraud. Creating fake accounts or tricking people into giving money or personal information. 4. Impersonation. Pretending to be someone or to deceive others. 3. Hate speech and discrimination. Posting offensive comments based on person, race, religion, gender, and other characteristics.
What they post online, why or why not?
Honestly, I spend almost the whole day online. I'm usually scrolling through Wattpad, Facebook, TikTok, and watching anime. And I'm just always check my messenger if there's a message.
Okay, now for you, Harlan. What role does respect play when interacting with others online? Okay, Mr. Harlan, we're waiting for your answers. Next is how can young people promote ethical behavior on social media? Please answer it. Respect is one of the most important values when communicating online because it helps create a safe and positive environment for everyone. Since we can't always see a person's emotion through a screen, our words can easily be misunderstood or even hurt someone. That's why we should always think before we post, comment, or share something. Respect means listening to different opinions without insulting others, avoiding cyberbullying, and treating everyone with kindness, even if we disagree. It also means respecting people's privacy by asking permission before sharing their photos or personal information. When respect becomes a part of our online behavior, social media becomes a place for learning, meaningful decisions, and healthy relationships instead of arguments and hate. In the end, showing respect online reflects our true character and values, just as it does in real life. Um, Young people can promote ethical behavior by becoming responsible digital citizens. This means thinking carefully before posting, making sure the information they share is true, and avoiding the spread of fake news or harmful content. They can also encourage kindness by using respectful language, supporting people who are being bullied, and reporting inappropriate or abusive posts. Thank you for that instead of
wonderful
judging.
answers, Mr. Harlan.
Another
Now,
way
for
is
you,
by
for our last
giving
guest, Mr.
proper
Lewis.
credit when
Have you
using
ever
someone
witnessed
else's
or
work
experienced
and
cyberbullying?
respecting copyright and
What can be
privacy.
done to prevent it?
Small actions like
And
posting
now, can
positive
you please
messages,
answer that along the way?
correcting
What
misinformation
message would you
politely,
like
and
listeners
setting
to
a good
remember about
example
ethics
can
and
inspire
morality
others to do
in
the
the
same.
digital age? Please
Social
answer.
media has a huge influence, and when young people choose honesty, respect, and responsibility, they help create an online community that is safer, more welcoming, and more ethical for everyone. I think Mr. Lewis is having some connection issues, so let's just wait for him.
That's a great question. I don't personally experience or witness cyberbullying, but I've learned from many real stories that it can affect our mental health, confidence, and well being. I think preventing cyberbullying starts with respect and empathy. We should always think before we post or comment because our words can have a big impact on that person. If we see someone being bullied online, we shouldn't ignore it. We should report the content, support the person being targeted, and encourage them to talk to someone they trust. At the end of the day, creating a safer online community is everyone's responsibility, and even small acts of kindness can make a big difference.
As we come to the end of today's episode, we hope our discussion has helped you better understand the importance of ethics and morality in the age of social media.
Social media is a powerful tool, and the way we use it reflects our values. Every post, comment, and share is an opportunity to show respect, honesty, and responsibility. Let's all remember that building a better online community starts with each of us. By thinking before we post and treating others with kindness, we can make a positive difference. This has been an ethical scroll. Sorry. Remember, think before you post and choose kindness online. Thank you for listening to Talks Beyond the Screen. See you in our next episode.
Come inside of my heart if you're looking for answers. Look at this storm's going a little bit faster. I just had to let you know you're